So I expect my screen to visible to you. And I have opened my slides so that also be visible to you. If there is any issue, you can tell me. So let me recall what we have done yesterday. We have gone through a very important concept, which is a theoretical concept, but we can model it practically, which is called the capital market line, right? Capital market line. So there is a risk-free asset available with return RF, which is a deterministic quantity, okay, which we can include in our portfolio along with the risky security. And then if we have such thing, means we have risky portfolio, means we have some securities with risk and the risk-free security. It may be an one security or maybe combination of so many securities, but let we say the average return is RF. Even if we do not have such security, there is a risk-free security, risk-free rate exit in the market, which is called the GSEC rate, government security rate. So yesterday I have introduced you and I told you to go through the site of the Bloomberg or other site. I think my screen visible or not? Because I'm not getting sign here. So let me check it once again. I think my screen is not visible to all. Let I reshare it. Sorry for disconnection. I think there was some issue with the internet. Let me stop this recording and